At the same as the high of this elephant, this is with the tricks, with your knowledge. You already said thank you very much and goodbye. And then I'll be back again. Okay, for now, 3 of the elephants will let you show you how to pass the pictures. They can pass the pictures by their trunks. Yes, and they can use their trunks like human users use them for painting. To train them to pass a picture, the mahus use the time about nearly 2 months. It's not every elephant can do. Some elephants can do like this. Yes, for this place, we have 3 of them can pass pictures because of their good brain, good memory. Okay, let's see them to pass a picture and listen to music too.
Look at how it's going on now. Oh, he's coming the other way.
Unbelievable. The other guy's doing good, Ken. The other guy's making the tree. I like him. Unbelievable. Big heavy trunk. Easy that fine work.
Yes, okay, for now, three of the elephants will let you show you how to paint the picture. They can, you can paint the pictures by many stars. By many stars. Yes, I recommend on your left hand side. Left hand side, this one is male elephant. His name is Sinon. He is about 6 years old. During the second one, female elephant, her name is Sudha. She is about 4 years old. Yes, on the right hand with the long tusk, he is planting some tree, a big tree. His name is Oracha. He is about 15 years old. He's the leader of the group show.
I have no idea. He's got to get some. That one's only capable of trees. That's okay. Look at
Seen on his painting himself, baby elephant with this is some tree. Okay, so that too. Elefanti, red color. I would like to explain you some details of these elephants. For the female elephant, when they're about 15 years, they will be pregnant. Use the time for pregnancy about 20 months to 22 months or nearly 2 years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times until 50 years they stop to pregnant. At the time they are get old. And most of the elephants average, they can weigh about 4 tons of 1,000 kilograms. They can live as long as a human life, 80 years to 100 years, are the same as a human life. Yes, for to painting the picture is not every elephant can do. Some elephants can do like this. They can paint the pictures by memory, because they can remember about it the moment you touch them. What is the step? But they cannot see the colors clearly, and then the host will take the colors to them to paint the pictures. Everybody, if you would like to take this picture, please contact me. You can take this. Maybe you take this to the special one that you love to be the best present, best souvenir. Each picture just only 600 baht. Because of Sudha's picture is belong to someone already. Because of the reserve.
Scott did all right here.
Sudha.
Yeah, he did. He's no slouch. I got a little worried in the beginning.
Yeah.
He's no slouch.
His brush is not as fine as this
Because of Sudachi is so clever. Just 4 years old.
Yeah.
Orchai, he is putting some flowers.
Oh, you do have to go there somewhere.
Yeah, I know. This guy,
Because they are painting by their imagination.ทุกท่านที่ชมนะคะอยากจะเป็นเจ้าของก็เรียนเชิญติดต่อได้นะคะภาพละ600 บาทเท่านั้นค่ะมีกล่องใส่ให้เรียบร้อยนะคะยกเว้นของสุดาค่ะสุดามีคนจองแล้วนะคะไม่เห็นกับตาคงจะไม่เชื่อนะคะว่าช้างวาดรูปได้นะคะโอ้เราใช้อินฟลูเอนซ์ to paint the picture so very nice so nice โอเควางเลยครับOh, Sudha and Sinan, they would like to show you how to start their names. The first one is on the left hand side. His name is Sinan. Yes. And Sudha.
Unbelievable.
It is unbelievable. That's
Okay, Sudachi finished upon the pictures. Very nice. Reckless of herself with herself. Suda.
That amazing. Oh, I'm just floored.